Hello once again, everybody. It's 11:46 and now 31 seconds on September 21st. This is the drawing for the Spider-Man 135, the second appearance of the Punisher. Over here on the left are the 7 filled spots. I'm going to roll our 3 dice. The number is 9. I'm going to randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the book. I will still try to get it out in today's mail. Worst case scenario, it's going to ship on Monday. Been having some issues with randomizer over the past couple of days, so if it freezes up, I'm going to apologize. Let's hope that's not the case. And away we go. Looks like we're good. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes the final one. 9. Spot 5, Albert Martinez. Congratulations. Time is 11:47 and 30.